space, I'm suspended in time as the world slows down. Soft and distant sounds, shadows of doubt falling on the wall. My body is numb like a flower of ice, looking into the night as I'm saying goodbye. In my heart, getting ready to fall. My body move on a Saturday night, under the stars to the end of the world. Listen, the snow is falling. Listen, my darling, it's night, under the stars to the end of the world. Faced against the wall, silver smoke of dreams from the gutter and grates disappearing in steam. Liquid eyes running in my veins. Flicks of fire is flying in front of my eyes. In the back of the room, I will follow you blind, letting go of whatever remains.